Let's see how to install an application in iPhone. So for that you have to open App Store. Okay, now once the App Store opens up, tap on search and tap on the app which you want to install. Let's say this is the app. Now tap on get. Okay, now it will ask for this confirmation. Tap on install and add your Apple ID password. I'm adding this. Now once you have added the Apple ID password or authenticated by Face ID passcode, this app will start downloading and installing on your iPhone, and wait for a few seconds until this circle gets completed and the app has been installed. You can open it from here, or it will be also open added in the home screen. Thanks for watching. Please do like.